Next up in the trailer series of unfortunate events, just kidding, they're not unfortunate events. Conestoga trailers. Conestoga trailers are pretty much flatbeds with a hard or soft shell, giving complete protection to the freight that's inside. They offer more coverage than and they don't use tarps because the tarps are part of the trailer itself. So you're not needing to tie down and protect the cargo with tarps. You just put the freight inside of the trailer. And to reduce the occurrence of the damage of cargo and also the damage of the tarping itself, in other words, the tarps themselves, they are a good alternative. So Conestoga trailers are wonderful. I have used them to move conveyor systems, most commonly for myself, and conveyor systems for the automotive industry. So that's why I love Conestoga trailers because it's in my niche of trailers that I use. In terms of the maximum freight weight, it's up to 48,000 pounds. Again, the shipper can work with the driver and with the broker and with the carriers or the driver's dispatch to figure out a weight to utilize or maximize the trailer weight capacity. The Conestoga trailer length is 48 feet to 53 foot or 53 feet. And the width, again, 8 feet 6 inches. And the legal freight height is 9 feet. Now, you always got to keep in mind what is the inside height of Conestoga trailers. So make sure that you know when you're discussing with carriers, you know their inside height, or make sure they are aware when they are quoting what the height of the material is and what the shipper is requesting. Because sometimes a shipper will say, we need an inside height of 98 inches or a minimum of 98 inches or minimum 101 inches, whatever the case may be. You have to know what that inside height is so you don't send in the wrong equipment causing issues, and so avoid problems with your shipper. So Conestoga, Conestoga, I think. Conestoga. I don't know. I like the word a lot. Anyways, there is the next part of the trailer series. So I hope you like. If you don't, thumbs down. If you love it, thumb it the fuck up. All right, respect.